Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Pathak, Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmacy, Sri Krishna University, Chhatarpur. Let's have a short talk about pharmacy profession. First of all, what is pharmacy? Pharmacy has been defined as that profession which is concerned with art and sciences of preparing drugs from natural and synthetic resources for the cure of different kind of the diseases and ailments. If we talk about pharmacy courses, first of all, D Pharma, it is the diploma in the pharmacy, it is a 2-year course. B Pharma, Bachelor in Pharmacy, it is the 4-year degree course. M Pharma, Master in Pharmacy, it is the 2-year master degree course, and after that there is doctorate or PhD, that is a minimum 3-year course in the doctorate. Why to choose pharmacy as a career? There are available various jobs in the pharmacy sector after completing courses like the D Pharma, B Pharma or M Pharma. There are abundant jobs in the pharmacy sector in both private or government. If we talk about the government sector, there are so many jobs, just like drug controller, assistant drug controller, drug inspector or pharmacist in the government hospitals. After that, if we talk about the jobs in the private sectors, so many jobs are there in the national or international pharmaceutical companies, national and international hospitals chains are there, where a pharmacist could do different kind of responsible jobs. If we talk about the jobs in the pharmaceutical companies, there are so many departments like the manufacturing, quality control, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, packaging and store, etc. After government or the private, a person who has completed his pharmacy courses can also start their own enterprises, like he could open any kind of manufacturing and packaging and storage like enterprises. Finally, why to choose pharmacy courses in the Sri Krishna University, Chhatarpur? Pharmacy department of the Sri Krishna University, Chhatarpur is a PCI approved institution. We have well qualified and highly experienced faculty members. We have managed digital classes and high-tech modern laboratories with all necessary equipments and the chemicals. We provide regular classes and practical to our students. We also provide English communication classes, computer classes and personality development classes regularly. Finally, I want to inform you all, those who want to make their career as a pharma profession, they could start after 12th by pursuing D Pharma or the B Pharma. Maths and biology is a compulsory, either math or either biology is a compulsory subject for D Pharma and B Pharma after 12th. Admissions are open for the session 2020 and 21. Those students who has completed their 12th in the biology or maths can apply for B Pharma courses or D Pharma course in our Sri Krishna University. Students can visit our university, which is situated on National Highway 86, Sagar Road, near Gram Chowka. If students want to apply online, he could visit our website www.skuindia.ac.in. Thank you very much.